Today is lecture 20 of Basic Electronics Boolean Algebra Part 5.
Welcome to our channel ClassFly community. Today we will deal with the topic basic gate. So our first gate is our OR gate. OR gate means, as I told, it is plus in the part 1 of Boolean Algebra. So see, in OR gate, it's a gate which works with minimum 2 input. In this first statement, it says that it will have minimum of 2 input, not maximum. It will have particularly 2 inputs, meaning it is compulsory to have 2 inputs for OR, and it will have one output. See, the output is 1, it will have one output, and the second statement says that the output is 1 if any of the input is 1, otherwise it is 0. See, with the truth table we can understand it clearly that if either of the input is 1, we will get our output as 1. Otherwise, if we get both the values as 0, then only we will get the output as 0. In other words, the output is 0 if all the inputs are 0. We can see that if all the inputs are 0, then only we get the output as 0. Otherwise, we get it as 1. Okay. See, the expression for OR gate is R. I am denoting the output here as R. So R is equal to A plus B, or I can write R is equal to A OR. Now let's see the AND gate. We know that AND gate means multiplication, right? It's a gate which works with minimum 2 inputs. Here also it is compulsory to have 2 inputs, and it will give us one output. The output is 1 if all the inputs are 1, otherwise it is 0. We will get a clarity if we see with this statement with the truth table. The output is 1. The output will be 1 only and only if all the inputs are 1. If all the inputs are 1, then only we will get output as 1. If any of the input is 0, we will get it as 0. Or in other words, the output is 0 if any of the input is 0. So if any one of the input is 0, we will get the output as 0. Otherwise, it is 1. Now see, as I have denoted the output as R, so I will write the expression as R is equal to A dot B. Or I can write this as R is equal to A and B. Or I can write it as R is equal to AB. If there is no dot, if there is nothing, that means it is the dot or the AND gate. Okay. Now we will move on to a third gate, that is a NOT gate. See, NOT gate is basically complement. That is, if A's values is 0 as input, then I will get the output as 1. See, it's a gate which works with only one input. That means it will only work as a NOT gate if it has only one input. The output is reverse of the input. That is, the gate inverts the input. This gate is also known as inverter gate. Always remember that this gate is known as inverter gate. Now see the truth table. As it is one input, so I will write 0 and 1. So as it is known as the inverted gate, I will get the inversion of the 0, that is 1, and for 1 I will get 0. Now as I represented my output as R, my expression will be R is equal to A dash, or I can write R is equal to A bar, or I can write R is equal to not of A. Last gate, that is a basic gate, is a XOR gate. XOR gate is the exclusive OR gate. See, it's a gate which works with minimum 2 input. It is compulsory to have 2 input. Okay, and the output is 1 for odd parity, whereas the output is 0 for even parity. See, if we see the truth table, we will understand clearly. The output is 1 for odd parity. See, for as one input is 0 and other input is 1, I will get 1. That is, it is odd. And if both the input are similar, then I will get 0. That only has been said, that if it is even parity, that if both the input are similar, then I will get 0. Similarly for this. But if any of the one are not similar to the other, then I will get the output as 1. Okay, now see. For the expression for this is R is equal to A XOR B, or I can write, as I said, 0 I can write here as the R is 1 here, so I will write A bar B plus B, A B bar. I can also write like this, R is equal to A bar B plus A B bar. This only says that it is XOR gate. If this equation, you can also say this is also a XOR gate, okay, and it will always have one output. So for today we end our lecture here for the basic gates. We will move on to a universal gate for the next lecture. Till then, be happy and have a great day.
Now it's the quote time. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. I hope all of you understood today's lecture, and thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magaz videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at ClassFly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.